In this video we are going to discuss how you can choose Windows 11. So in this video we are going to discuss about some basic features. Just we can open this PC, and now here you can see new icons and new interface. So now if you want to add a new folder, just you can go from here, and then here you can see first option. You can also add a new file like notepad, word document, Excel files, as well as zip files and Excel sheet. So if you want to add a new folder, just you can give a name, and if you want to cut this folder, just you can use this option, and if you want to copy, just you can press this one, and if you want to paste this folder anywhere, then you can use this option. Here you can see, and after that if you want to rename, just you can select this option, then press enter, and if you want to delete, then you can use this option. Then this is for the sorting, so you can apply these filters: ascending, descending, and many more. Then you can go to view tab, and you can change icon size in Windows 11. Then you can go on three dots, and you can select all. Then you can also use select none, then properties. So in this way you can use these all the icons for cut, copy, paste, and delete anything. So thank you for watching video.